How to change Google Play Store country. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store. Click on your profile at the top right. Then click on Payments and Subscriptions. In here, click on Payment Methods, which is the first option. Then click on More Payment Settings. And then click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then you will find Settings. Click on Settings. After you've clicked on Settings, scroll down and click on Country and Region and click on Create New Profile. Click on Continue. Then select the country or region you want to change to. Then press on Continue. After you have done that, add your account type, name, address, and at the bottom, after you have added all these, simply click on Submit. After you have clicked on Submit, you're good to go. This is how to change Google Play Store country. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.